Have a great day to my all friends, followers, and listeners. How are you all? Hope all will fine. You're doing very awesome trading. Today, going to show you an awesome boom and crash index scalping trading strategy. If you want to make a profit daily basis from boom and crash index, must follow our strategy. It's really very awesome, and we tested a lot of time, and it's really working very good. So you guys need to set up the strategy as we instruct, and please follow the instruction and try to understand all points before you go to real trade. I would request please be patient at least 3 days, run a test on demo, and once you understand all points, come on the real and make profit by self. Okay, so before we start, I would just want to test and discuss some basic point of moving averages. We are going to add some moving averages. This is based on the moving averages strategy and how actually the moving averages works. And you all guys know the crossover, we always predict crossover, and when we using on H1 and H4 we always respect of touch. I mean to say of touch when that candles touch to 200 exponential moving average and the pullback, so it means this is an resistance and support, and once market come at resistance and support, market always bounce back to give a new swing cause of taking profit. Market give us some awesome pips. So exactly how the moving averages work. So moving averages always give us this a way that market will go where. So we need to understand the market with the moving average. This is so simple and so easily. And once the crossover happen on a lower time frame, like say M5, M15, M30, M1. I will never say to close M1, please, but M5 is an awesome. Leave the M1 is not a good time frame to predict the market prediction and market momentum, price momentum. So I will request please use M5 time frame. It's so good and so accurate. If you want to take the scalping in trade and scalping trade, you will make awesome profit using M5 time frame. Please focus on M5 time frame if you want to scalp, and 15 time frame if you want to scalp. M30 also give us a control of emotions, and H1, H4 also help us. H4 and daily time frame is for a long-term trade. If you have a good capital and a good money management, it can make awesome profit. So let's get started the strategy. First of all, we need to set about the strategy. So let's the indicator. First of all, you need to add the 20 days exponential moving average. Choose the color and you like. The second moving average will be 40 period, will be exponentially applied to close, and the third one will be 200, as just I told you guys. When H1 and H4 example, the 200 moving average, how it's work really is the work like the support and resistance. So we are going to add 200 exponential moving average. Simply once done, please go and the indicator window 1. Choose the RSI and the pixel will be 3, and choose the color white according to your background. If you have black background, please choose the black. And if you have a white background, please choose the back white. Okay, once done, please set the moving. The first one will be 50 days exponential moving average. The second one will be 11 days, and the third one will be the 2 days, and the fourth one will be the 5 days, and this, look here, the fifth one will be 7 days, and the last one is 250 days. It's a long term moving average we set for trading and prediction how market gonna work for us and what will be direction of a price. Okay, the trend momentum. So let's click on done, and now we are close to our chart. Look at the zoom level. First of all, I want to go look at the first zoom and the second zoom. That's enough. Okay, my guys, if you want to use this strategy, please rotate your devices, your mobile phone, your Android phone. You will see a clear window of your indicator setting and your candle setting, your chart also visible very clearly, so you guys easily predict market momentum. So right now, as I told you, that market when the moving averages cross each other, so it's time to buy and sell. Look here, here's the crossover, and look here the indicator window 1, and also the touching and the crossing each other. And once it's crossed, we just ready for an opportunity. and when we've seen that is crossing and continuously going in the same trend, like you said, the bullish adjust the now class for bullish trend, and when we've seen a bullish trend is going to continue, we need to enter a trade. And for this stop loss, I will say you guys, please pick the previous low. Here is the previous low. Just simply go and put you the stop loss, and after crossover, step by step, lock your profit with trading stop and secure you with profit without risk. Make awesome profit. Look here, the buy opportunity is going continuously upward. Look here, the secret of a moving average is the first touch and the second and third and fourth one. Let me show you and explain how it actually is worked. Look here, the 50-day moving average, the black one. Look here, just that the moving average is touch and again bounce back, so it means that buy opportunity is still strong. And look here, again the touch to 50-day moving average, the black one, and once it's touched and bounce back, just mean that opportunity is still strong and the market is want to give us some more pips. And look here, the same thing is happened here. So it's the secret when the market touched the support and the resistance of a moving average based on our setting like a 50 days and 200 days, so it's mean that market is going to back. Okay, give us a new. Look here, at least once market touch this level, so it's mean that we are going to enter the new trade, and after touching this, look here, the spike. Okay, my guys, and look here, the second spike here, and look, my guys, once that market touch at the moving averages and spikes. So you will understand clearly when the spike is coming, and once your trend continue, will hold your trade with complete risk management, with without emotions, fear of emotions. So it's the buy entry, it's the sell entry. Look here, just go and set up and scroll back, you guys will understand clearly. Look here, the sell and the buy, how clearly visible to your chart. Look here, the crossover happen, and once the crossover happen, now look here, I will show you the live example right now there. And look here, just the spike happened here, and like the combination of moving averages at the same point, and right now is at this level. So it's mean that right now market is going to down. So when market want to go down, market always give us a clear direction from RSI. So it's now close to, and now it's time to go for sell position. I hope you guys get that. If you still have a question, please check the description, contact with us, we'll give you the clear description of this strategy. Have a best trading days. Enjoy, guys. Please first practice and do good. Thanks for watching.